Now, I'm recording this after the first round at Paula, and can you just say what a great thing it is to have Eli Tomac back? And that's going to transition right into the fact that we're going to see more of him next year, hopefully, or at least he says he wants to. Now, obviously, if you remember this, the pre-show to the 25 season basically said that this would be his last year, with the quote saying, "That's what's in my head, that I can still be that guy, still be the top guy, battling with Jet Lawrence and Chase Sexton. There's no way I would have signed up for 2025 just for a farewell tour. I still feel like I can be there. I'm not chasing a specific championship now. I'm just still chasing that checkered flag." Now, coming out of Paula, obviously, it was him and Jet Lawrence. There was nobody else, at least in Moto 2, that was even anywhere close. And you gotta say, this is incredible to have him back. He is still one of the top guys, if not, top two. Super fast, super competitive. You're never going to outwork him. And you gotta say, yes, Jet Lawrence broke him. He finally got away and won that race, but it's incredible to have this level of competition. And, well, he's confirmed that he wants to at least continue racing, with the quote saying, "I'm going to continue racing. As you know, we're currently trying to work out deals right now. I said I was done, and I've kind of had these weird little injuries in Supercross, and honestly, it has extended my career and extended my ambition for racing." Now, obviously, that is last year with the broken, well, this year, I guess, technically, with the broken fibula that happened in Tampa. I think Tampa, correct me if I'm wrong there, that took out this season, in one of the weirdest little crashes, just planted his foot weirdly, got hit by the peg, and that's all it takes. Something freak that you've probably done a million times, never even thought about it, and ended the season for him. And obviously before that, was it 20, this is 25, 24, so 23, I think, if I'm correct, he blew out his Achilles. Geez, I think it's Achilles, and that weird little, it was Achilles, because ankle. It's just one of those things that those 2 years, especially the Achilles year, probably would have been a championship for him. If he had finished that season, won the championship, he's probably done. He said he probably would have just ended on a high note. Hey, I've won a championship, another one. I can retire happy, or at least, do the Dean Wilson, maybe do a supercross, or who knows what would have happened then. It's all hypothetical. Obviously came back, didn't really have the best year, but coming off an Achilles injury, can't really blame anybody for that. And then, like I said, this year with the broken leg, which he still ended up finishing that race. If you remember this, he finished that race because that happened in Tampa. He raced the nice show and still finished in 17th with a broken leg. That's something else special. So to have him back, at least for, who knows, 1 year, maybe 2, who knows how this falls, it's going to be really good. And now it's just a question of where. Obviously, his contract with Yamaha ends this year, so it's going to be, who knows. Obviously, there's the rumor going around of Ducati, or the Ducati rumor has been going around with him for a while now. There's the new one of maybe KTM, because Chase Sexton isn't signed with them, and who knows, he could end up with Yamaha again. But for them, it's going to end up being a very pricey thing when you consider if he gets a 2-year deal, you're going to have Cooper Webb, Justin Cooper, Eli Tomac, and then in 27, the last year of what would be the hypothetical 2-year deal, you're going to have Deegan moving up. You're going to have 4 big name, big contract, 450 guys, and who knows where that falls. He could move to a different team completely, and this is all moot, but that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Are you excited about this? What do you think about the Paula race? Are you going to any of the outdoor ones? Where do you think he might go? What rumors have you heard? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.